ఆమె నేర్చుకోదు.
She doesn't learn.
ఆమె డోర్ ఓపెన్ చేయదు.
She doesn't open the door.
ఆమె రాయదు.
She doesn't write.
ఆమె పడుకోదు.
She doesn't sleep.
ఆమె నాశనం చేయదు.
She doesn't spoil.
ఆమె డబ్బులు ఇవ్వదు.
She doesn't give money.
ఆమె ప్రేమించదు.
She doesn't love.
ఆమె తప్పించుకోదు.
She doesn't escape.
ఆమె కాపాడదు.
She doesn't save.
ఆమె పిలవదు.
She doesn't call.
ఆమె కొనదు.
She doesn't buy.
ఆమె అమ్మదు.
She doesn't buy. Sell.
ఆమె తీసుకురాదు.
She doesn't bring.
ఆమె తీసుకోదు.
She doesn't take.
ఆమె ఇవ్వదు.
She doesn't give.
ఆమె మాట్లాడదు.
She doesn't talk.
ఆమె ఎందుకు మాట్లాడదు?
ఎందుకు మాట్లాడదు? Why doesn't she speak?
ఆమె ఎందుకు రాదు?
Why doesn't she come?
ఆమె ఎందుకు చూడదు?
Why doesn't she
ఆమె ఎందుకు వంట చేయదు?
Why doesn't she prepare food?
ఆమె ఎందుకు నవ్వదు?
Why doesn't she laugh?
ఆమె ఎందుకు శుభ్రం చేయదు?
Why doesn't she neat? Clean.
ఆమె ఎందుకు చెప్పదు?
Why doesn't she tell?
ఆమె ఎందుకు రాయదు?
Why doesn't she write?
ఆమె ఎందుకు పిలవదు?
Why doesn't she call?
ఆమె ఎందుకు అడగదు?